This is what $1,000 look like. Just a small stack of money. Now this is 10k. Here's what you could buy with $10,000. 500 Mr. Beast t-shirts, 5,000 clown noses, and a pretty decent car. Just joking, that car is fucking awful actually. If you own one of those, please do me a favor and stay the fuck away from me. Now, here are $100,000. That's a pretty small stack, but with that, you could actually buy a small house. Or if you already own one, you could build 20 swimming pools for your house. You could also buy 20,000 classic burgers from McDonald's and feed yourself eating 3 burgers a day for 80 fucking years. That's quite a lot. But hey, that's nothing compared to $1 million. You could buy 5 Lamborghini Aventadors, 20 kilograms of pure gold, or 666 Coral G-Cup 168 centimeters realistic toy. And finally, this was Mr. Beast's net worth in 2020. That's $60 million. With that amount of money, he could buy around 5 big-ass houses in Dubai, 125 diamond Rolexes, premium Netflix for 6,944 years, and probably some other cool stuff. Now, just so you can see the difference, this is what $1 billion look like, and the richest man alive has more than $180 billion. Let me know in the comments if you want to see the comparison too. This 3D animation was made in Blender, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more 3D related stuff and tutorials. I really hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I'll see you in the next video.